Bybit Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Bybit Wallet app has become a major contender in the world of crypto storage and trading. But is it really the all-in-one wallet experience it claims to be? Let's take a closer look at the pros and cons of using Bybit's wallet. First, the pros. Bybit Wallet is integrated directly with the Bybit exchange, meaning users can easily trade, transfer, and store assets all in one place. This seamless connection makes it convenient for both beginners and experienced traders who want quick access to spot, futures, and staking products without hopping between apps. Another key advantage is security. Bybit is known for its robust multi-signature cold storage system, keeping nearly all user funds offline and protected from hackers. The company even maintains an insurance fund to cover potential trading losses, adding an extra layer of user confidence. The wallet also supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, and dozens of popular altcoins. Plus, Bybit recently introduced new features, allowing users to explore decentralized applications and interact with NFTs directly from within the app. Now, let's talk about the cons. While Bybit offers excellent exchange integration, it's still a custodial wallet, meaning Bybit holds your private keys. That convenience comes with trust trade-offs, since you're not in full control of your funds. Another drawback is that withdrawals can be subject to fees and time delays, depending on network congestion or account verification status. And although Bybit has made big strides in compliance, some users in restricted countries can't access all its features. In summary, the Bybit Wallet app shines for active traders who value speed, security, and built-in exchange tools. But if you're someone who believes not your keys, not your crypto, you might prefer a non-custodial option. Bybit makes crypto trading smooth and powerful as long as you're comfortable with its centralized nature.